Hi everybody, welcome back to my video. Today's video is about me reviewing this Dollar facial cleaning brush. Now, do it work or don't it work? Let's see. This is my makeup face. I just did my full face of makeup. It's time for this to go, 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 go. All right, so I have my facial cleansing brush. It has a high and a low. You have to put the two AA batteries in there. So it's pretty self-explanatory. That is my Neutrogena Deep Clean Facial Wash that I like using. That's what I used on my brush. So I just lather that up with that and some water. And then first I had it on low. It wasn't really doing anything. I'm like, okay, ain't doing nothing. Then I put it up on high. And that's when that baby got to going. I said, okay, we might be on something now. We might be on a little something. All right, so I'm using it, and it moves pretty fast. It's not super fast, but it moves fast. Again, I'm taking off makeup, so you see, it's taking off the makeup. Yeah, I mean, it's doing what I want it to do. It's taking off the makeup. Again, when you put a full face of makeup on, you're putting on like 3 or 4 layers of makeup. So it is moving it. And I'm just working it around. Just working it around. I got a little water on my eyelashes. I had to take a little minute. And then I started over again. So I'm just trying to really work this makeup off of this face. Trying to get my face back. All right, so it's moving. It's not really sudsing up, and I think it's because I'm taking off makeup. It's not a clean face, so it's really not sudsing up. I make sure I hit my lips, and I'm just trying to get all the areas. Okay, now I'm wiping I'm wiping it off. Most of it that came off with that, I'm wiping it off with a baby wipe. I only use baby wipes. All right, here's round 2. More soap. I re-wet it. And now it's time for round 2. Again, it ain't really soaping up. And I think it may be because the cleanser I use, it really doesn't soap up. But it's still getting my face clean. And you see, as more and more I do it, the cleaner my face is getting actually. So it's really not a bad tool at all for $1. I paid $32 for a Neutrogena one. And I don't even use it. Yeah. I use this more than I use my Neutrogena one. But it's working. I'm working. And, you know, it's getting it clean. Again, you're going to have to, since you put a full face of makeup on, you're going to have to do about 2 rounds, maybe 3, depending on how much makeup you put on. But it did get my face clean. You know, I'm touching, I'm getting my neck. I'm getting my nose. I'm getting my lips. I'm getting all those areas. All right, I'm done. That's how my face look after I have cleaned it with the facial brush. I'm back. My face is back. A clean face is what I got from that facial cleansing brush. So I'm just letting you all see it did get my face clean. All right, now it's time for my face mask. I end up doing a cucumber face mask. I got this from the Dollar Tree, and it's a soothing mask. Okay, this is my first time really putting on masks, so it was a little bit difficult to put it on at the beginning, but then I figured it out. So it's a cooling gel cucumber mask. After I tried to place it on there, I end up using my tool to smooth out the mask. I also got this from the Dollar Tree. So it has like a little roller ball on it. And so that really did help me place the mask and smooth the mask out better with that tool. If you see the Dollar Tree, make sure you grab it. All right, I'm just smoothing it all out with that tool. I look crazy right here. I look like the mask from Jim Carrey. I look crazy. All right, it's been 15 minutes. It's time to take it off. And it gave my face a glow. I'm wiping it off, the excess stuff with the baby wipe. This is my lip scrub. I always do a lip scrub with my facial mask. So I also got that from the Dollar Tree. And you just put it on your lips in a circular motion. until you think you got all the excess dry skin off, and then you just wipe it off with a baby wipe. Never use a towel. Wipe off things with baby wipes. All right, this is my Skin Passion toner. I love this toner. It has apple cider vinegar in it. It has an acne solution in it. It's an all natural toner, so I'm not afraid to put it on my skin. Skin Passion. All right, I apply it with a cotton pad. That's the last step before the moisturizer. I let it dry. All right, the next thing I put on my face is my Shea Butter Moisturizer. And I love Shea Butter. It helps improve your tone of skin. So any dark spot, it helps to make them even. So Shea Butter Moisturizer is what I use on my face at the end. All right, something's going on with these lashes, honey. I got to get them together. All right, so I'm just making sure I put all the Shea Butter Moisturizer on my face, under my eyes, and everywhere. The last thing I do is I put on my favorite lip gloss by Revlon. It's Super Lustrous Lip Gloss, and it has a clear glitter tint to it. I love this lip gloss. It has a nice shine to it. So I put that on at the end. Look at them lips. Look at them puckers. All right, so this is how my face look. I love the facial brush. Make sure you grab the facial brush. If you see it in the Dollar Tree, it was a great investment for $1. See you in the next video. Bye.